What is exact this time and why has governor called you on? What is the
No, we had sought an appointment with the governor. So yesterday, late in the evening, we have been given an appointment today at 12. Accordingly, our MLAs will be arriving here soon and we will be marching towards the office of His Excellency, the Governor of Goa. So the PCC also is supporting the action of the CLP, and therefore our office bearers have come over here, others are on the way, and we protest. We will protest.
On what regard to your protest?
Now see, in Karnataka, they have invited the single largest party to form the government, and they say that according to Sarkaria Commission, the single largest party in any election, maybe assembly, maybe parliament, should be invited to form the government. Well, we accept that. Then why did they not invite Congress party to form the government in 1917 when we emerged as the single largest party in the assembly elections? That is our point of contention. That is our argument with the government. Okay.
But this protest that you are going to...
This protest is all our MLAs are going to call on the governor to tell her to call the single largest party of the Congress in Goa to form the government, as the procedure done by them in Karnataka.
Do you think that there are different procedures in different states?
Now let the governor tell our MLAs what is it, no? Yardstick should be one.
गव्हर्नराक मेळपाचे आहा तुमचे सगळे MLA आहा आनी कितें
पळयता आमी ते हे करतले सिंगल लार्जस्ट पार्टी
म्हणजे तुम्ही
मेजॉरिटी प्रूव करपाक चान्स दिवचो म्हणून कर्नाटका गव्हर्नरान दिला पळय
सगळ्या आमदारांक सिक्युरिटी दिवची पडटली आणि व्हिडिओग्राफी
सर आता श्रीपाद भाऊन एक कॉमेंट केला की इट इज टू लेट फॉर काँग्रेस टू क्लेम फर्स्ट फॉर्म गव्हर्नमेंट. तुमचे किती रिएक्शन आसा?
वेल, इट इज नेवर लेट देन नेवर, or it is better late than never. This is the only way I can tell him. Tomorrow, Supreme Court, as the information I got now, Supreme Court has directed that floor test be held tomorrow in Bangalore, Karnataka government. And each MLA will be provided security. So now we know what is going to happen tomorrow. Meanwhile, we are keeping up our pressure. And if that pressure works, things are good.
MLA पुढे जरा
MLA पुढे बाकीचे भेटले मातशे 2 मिनिटां
फाटल्यार येयल्यार तुमकां दिश्टी पडटलें मातशें चल सगळें अशें लाइन में रहने चलो पुढे असे उलट फिरतात नाही
MLA फिरायो गिरीश फिरा गिरीश फिरा हाँ